As we all know, multiple streams of income are so needed right now, right? Who doesn't need a side hustle to complement their real estate business? You might need a little extra money when your real estate business gets slow. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 different side hustles you can do as a real estate agent to complement your real estate business when things get slow, when you need a little extra money, when those commissions are just taking too long to hit the bank account and you need some cash ASAP. Rather, you need some cash while you're sleeping. So let's look into how you can start some different side hustles while you're working as a real estate agent. Let's jump right into it. I'll be sharing with you some side hustles which can also be a second career that you can have with your real estate license to complement your real estate license. So these side hustles will vary from the financial niche to services to products that you can offer while you're working as a real estate agent. Now, the first one that I would recommend is to become a loan signing officer or to help clients with credit repair. I've seen a lot of realtors do this side by side along with their real estate license, right? So while the market is slow, while you're waiting to pick up your first real estate client, how about marketing and advertising, getting those same clients financially ready to achieve their home ownership goal, right? So you can start your credit repair business. You can also become a mortgage broker or a loans officer, as you might call it in the States. Here in Canada, we call it a mortgage agent. No, you can't. That's another license, yes, and that's another fee that you might have to pay annually for a membership, but it is another income stream that you're bringing in to complement your real estate license. Now, before I became a real estate agent, I had my mortgage. I was a mortgage agent, so that was a side hustle that I was doing, another stream of income, along with being a full-time registered nurse. So after becoming a real estate agent and I have several other income streams, then I decided not to keep my mortgage agent license. But if real estate is your full-time job, then I would advise for you to go and check out to be a mortgage agent. And I did a video of the pros and cons, which one you should choose, whether you should be a mortgage agent or a real estate agent. So you can go check out that video to familiarize yourself with the different pros and cons that are involved in becoming a mortgage agent. And it is not as expensive as obtaining your real estate license, but you will have to pay your annual membership fee. I think it's annual or biannual. I'm not 100% sure, but you will have to pay that fee to maintain your license for relicense. Number 2 is to become an insurance agent. Now again, this might require further education and getting a certification to obtain this title and to practice as an insurance agent. But again, it is in the financial niche where you will have some cash flow coming in when the real estate market gets slow. And did you know that the average real estate agent might not close their first deal until 6 months of having their real estate license? So you see why having an extra stream of income is rather important, right? So if you have one of these other certifications, you can be bringing in an extra stream of income when the market gets slow, or while you're waiting for that first real estate transaction. Number 3 is to tapping into real estate investing. Now, this could be long-term or short-term rental, which includes Airbnb services. So if you have a spare bedroom, a spare living area within your house that you're not using, then why not rent it out to a student if you have an extra bedroom, or why not do Airbnb services if you have that facility rather, right? So this is tapping into the real estate investing arena, which comes under finances, while you're being a real estate agent. So consider long-term or short-term rental, which is a source of passive income stream. You can be getting that money deposited into your bank account while you're sleeping. Number 4 is to become a property manager. Now, as we just mentioned, real estate investing, there are a lot of persons who have investment properties in different countries, in different cities, in different provinces, right? And they might need someone to monitor, to supervise, to oversee that property, whether it's a long-term or short-term rental, long-term lease, or an Airbnb service. You can position yourself to become a property manager. So while you are doing your real estate transactions, you're also overseeing these properties, one or two, how many you can manage along with your real estate career, your full-time job. So you can tap into this market of becoming a property manager. And did I tell you that number 9 is my favorite? So don't go anywhere. Wait and hear what I have to tell you in number 9. Now, where are we? We're at number 5, and this is to become a notary public. Now, this is another lucrative stream of income that you can do along with your real estate license. I've seen several realtors that also tap into getting their notary public certification, because a lot of these real estate clients, they're working with lawyers and they require documents to be signed, documents to be notarized. And while you are serving clients in real estate, then you can be giving out your cards, letting people know that you offer notarized services. So you are marketing and promoting this other stream of income while you're tapping into your real estate business as you go along your daily transactions. So consider this one. And again, this might require investing in getting your certification. But again, you're getting a return of your investment when you invest in getting this certificate. Now, let me know in the comments which one of these side hustles you are interested in starting or leveraging along with your real estate license. Let me know in the comments. Number 6 is digital marketing. When it comes on to digital products, there's a wide variety of different products that you can create as a realtor. Whether you want to remain in your niche as a realtor or whether you want to tap into another area of expertise or skills that you might have previously before becoming a real estate agent. Now, if you have the skills of graphic designs, then you can create flyers, you can create printables, you can create business cards, you can create so many different digital products, whether they're related to real estate or you want to tap into another niche of your interest. There is a wide variety of things that you can tap into when it comes on to digital marketing. Now, next up is another favorite of mine, which is affiliate marketing. Now, again, you can stick within the real estate niche or you can step outside of other interests that you might have outside of real estate. Now, for example, if you are staging a house, you're preparing a house for home staging and all that stuff that you do as a real estate agent, you can use stuff that are provided, say, for example, on Amazon. I recently did a video on how you can start your affiliate marketing business. I will leave it right here. You can go check it out after watching this video. But you can create your Amazon affiliate links to products that you're using, you're showcasing, so that persons can go and purchase those stuff and you get a commission. You get a piece of the pie, right? From sharing those products that you enjoy using. You can also create become an Amazon associate. You can create an Amazon storefront and you can collaborate with other affiliate partners, not only Amazon, and you can use their products, show how you like to use these products, what you like about these products, and you market and you promote those products. Now, again, you don't have to stick within the real estate niche. You can step outside to other areas that you like. If it's health and wellness, if it's fitness, if it's lifestyle, whatever other area or interest it is, tap into the affiliate marketing networking program because it can be a lucrative side hustle for you. Then number 8 is coaching and mentorship. If you are a seasoned realtor, then you have the knowledge and the experience and what it takes to coach and mentor new and upcoming real estate agents. Because I can tell you from experience, I'm approaching year 2, and this real estate street can be a very lonely street, right? They don't teach a lot of the business, how to structure your business, how to become a successful realtor, and all those good stuff in the real estate educational programs, right? So if you have been in this area for a while, you're a seasoned realtor, you know exactly what to do, how to become successful, then you can coach new baby realtors how to become successful, guide them, offer packages so that they can be a part of your community. Set up communities, maybe a Facebook group. There are several different ways of how you can provide mentorship and coaching. Again, if you want to step out of the real estate niche, feel free. If you have other interests, skills, gifts, expertise outside of real estate, you want to offer coaching, go ahead. Life coaching, fitness coaching. If you're a mom, career coaching, you have transitioned into real estate from another career, you can help somebody to do just the same. So consider coaching. If this one is you, let me know in the comments by typing coaching. Let me know that's your side hustle. And I can even walk you through how to start up your coaching business in my next video. Now, number 9, as I mentioned, number 9 is my favorite. And if you have been on my channel for a while now, then you should know what is my favorite side hustle. And it is here in these YouTube streets, right? YouTube is one of my favorite side hustles, right? I like to teach and I like to guide people. I like to share my personal stories, share my experiences. So if you like teaching, if you are not afraid of the camera, if you just like to talking to people, guiding them, taking them from point A to point B of where you have been, then YouTube would be a great side hustle to start off with. Now, initially, it might not be as lucrative as the other side hustles, but the more you put in, the more you will get out of the time that you will be investing into creating these videos. Now, I've done a video recently of my first YouTube paycheck. If you're just curious to know how much you might get from investing into time creating videos, then go check out this video here. But again, as I am saying from the couple, I think, previous side hustles, if you have other interests, then you don't have to be stuck with real estate, right? If you are passionate about fitness, create a fitness channel, right? If you're passionate about cooking, create a cooking channel. Whatever is your gift, your expertise outside of real estate, and you feel like, I don't want to be talking about real estate 24/7, I want a creative outlet, but rather you're getting an income from that creative outlet, try YouTube. Here, I don't really talk much about real estate. I tend to mix it up because I'm multi-passionate and I get easily bored about talking about the same stuff over and over and over. But in these next videos, I think in this quarter 4, I'll be diving more into real estate content. So if you're interested in really learning as you're a new realtor, or if you're interested in buying or selling your house, looking for a realtor in Hamilton, Ontario, then I'll be dropping out some content to help you on your home ownership goal. So look out for that. And lastly, where are we on my list? Online courses. And I recently did a video on how you can create your online course. Now, online course is another passive income stream, right? And I've seen several different realtors create online courses, whether that's going to assist other realtors. So this can be in the form of coaching also. You use it to complement your coaching service by creating online courses. Again, coaching realtors, how to become a successful realtor. You can have an online course around that. How to become a luxury realtor. I've seen realtors done that before, and I've participated in coaching and mentorship and also online courses from other realtors. So I'm telling you this because I've invested in online courses, I've invested in coaching and mentorship as a new baby realtor, right? So these are all different income streams that you can create with your real estate license. Whether you want to stick with your real estate niche, you create your coaching around real estate, you create your YouTube channel around real estate, you create online courses, digital products, all that around real estate. So you stick within that niche, you're doing one thing, kudos to you. Even more, you don't have to be hunting down and tracking down leads. You have different streams of income coming into your account. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe because I have lots more content about real estate coming up in this month and beyond. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.